Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Angela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, my channel normally features a lot of me traveling and vlogging my experiences there and giving you guys recommendations on places to go. But today I have a video or type of video that I haven't done in a very long time, which is an unboxing video. I haven't done one since high school, but this is not a regular unboxing, okay? This is a luxury brand unboxing. So I'm gonna give you a quick little history about me. So about me, I absolutely love luxury brands. I have since I was very, very little. I've always just taken a tune to luxury items. With that being said, my mom immigrated from the Philippines and luxury items just did not come to us easily. She raised me as a single parent. We did not have any luxury items back then. I love learning about the history of luxury brands, the designs that go into them, and who the designers are and the involvement of the brand over time, and the fact that these are not only just essential, timeless, show-stopping pieces, but the fact that these are pieces that grow in investments over time. So that's truly why I love luxury brands. And luxury products are not something that come easily to me either, even at this point in my life. It is something that I work very, very hard to obtain. I will give up things in my life just so I can afford one of these items. So with that being said, today's luxury brand is one that I have been waiting for a lifetime. This brand to me just screams effortless, timeless, elegance, and I am so incredibly thankful to be able to get the opportunity to sit here and open these packages. So the brand Celine, I'm going to give you guys a quick history, was founded in 1945 by Celine and Richard Vipiana. Now, this store originally started as a made-to-order children's shoe store, which featured a signature elephant logo. Now, as time has evolved, this has changed into obviously women's ready-to-wear, leather goods, belts, jewelry, perfumes, fragrances, all of the above. And the logo has slightly changed a bit. So when we began with the red elephant logo, we have now evolved into what is called the Blason Chien, which is inspired by the Arc de Triomphe. You'll see it. It is the two intertwining C's that Celine is very, very known for. That is their iconic signature logo. Now, what I love most about this brand Celine is that it is founded on the principle of women. So taking sportier pieces, making them look effortless, timeless, and also making them look functional for the everyday working woman as well. So I love the overall foundation of this brand, and I really do love the minimalistic approach to these types of luxury items. Over time, we have some really big creative directors that have worked for Celine. We have Michael Kors, who worked for the company and then branched out to create his own brand, which we all know as Michael Kors. We then have Phoebe Philo, who really reinvented women's wear and women's ready-to-wear in this brand. She really took Celine's original image and made it into something that was very modern and contemporary. And then of course we have our most recent creative director, who is Heidi Slimane. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not fluent in French in any way, but he is the current artistic director. He originally focused on men's ready-to-wear and has really ramped up the men's part of Celine's brand. But of course, he's doing it all and he's doing very, very well. So without further ado, I have a few items here that are ready to be unboxed. I have no idea what is in what box, so we'll see. So here is kind of what we're working with. Very beautifully packed. The wrapping paper is seriously so like wrinkle-free and seamless, which is shocking to me. In the box came the shipping and return label, which I will not show on camera because it has my address on it. But then we have a little Celine envelope here. Okay, so it's basically a little thank you. It says, "Thank you for shopping with Celine. We hope you enjoy your purchase and look forward to seeing you again." So that's cute that you get a little personalized little card in your box. And then of course we have Celine's little box right here. It is absolutely gorgeous. You can kind of see right here that there's a slight detail on the edges of the box. And then you have your classic Celine print logo right there. Now, I'm actually kind of surprised. I don't know if they just do this in store or not, because I ordered these online, but I'm surprised that it doesn't have the black ribbon around it that normally comes if you shop in store. But let's go ahead and open her up because I don't know what's in there. Okay, so here on top, we have a leather Celine holder. Okay, I think this is one of the necklaces. Okay, so here is what that necklace looks like. It has the Arc de Triomphe right here, right there, which is their signature interlocking C's that they are most famous for. This necklace is so incredibly stunning. I don't know how to put it. Little chain right here. You have a serial number, I assume, and a made in Italy on one side. So here is this next item, and then we have another little card here from Celine. I'm sure it says the same exact thing, and it does. Here is that white box, that gorgeous just minimal white box with their classic logo and a little design on the side here. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. So we have our black paper right here. Okay, so this, I believe, is the belt I ordered. So the belt comes in this little pouch here. This is a weird pouch. You can kind of see the fabric of it on camera, but it's not like my Louis Vuitton pouch that I have or that my Gucci pouch came in. This is a very thick bag, but as always, it like tightens right here. Open it, and this is what I got. All unwrapped. Here is that gorgeous Blessonchain Arc de Triomphe logo, and it is also featured throughout this belt ever so faintly. I hope you can see that in the lights catching it, but then it has the Celine Paris logo right here on the inside. Two-toned calfskin Triomphe belt. Okay, so this is how the big box comes packaged. On top here, again, we have a little envelope with the shipping return information in it. Oh, wow, okay. They put like a little pillow in there to help the shipping process, I guess. Okay. So we're gonna start out with the tinier box of the two. Again, the classic white. Go ahead and open her up. This is another jewelry item that I got, and I believe it is. Oh, there's a little. Oh my goodness. So I actually have like the Shein like knockoff version of this necklace. But the real thing, looking at it right now, Oh my god. I know it sounds so weird because it looks so simple, but you can just tell. So here is the last item in the box. This is the one I'm most excited for. It's so little. So again, it comes in almost this like nylon type bag. It is a really sturdy bag. I cannot get over that. That is the first of its kind that I've like felt for luxury items, so that's cool. You see it. I'm gonna start crying. That sounds so dumb that I'm gonna start crying. I'm gonna start crying. I've literally waited so long for this bag, and I cannot believe that I was able to finally buy it with my own money and hard work. Oh, okay. Are you ready? Here she is. She's so cute and tiny. I have no idea what she's gonna hold, but it is so gorgeous. We have the classic Arc de Triomphe label here that says Celine Paris right here. That the two-tone on this that I have here matches the two-tone on the belt. I wasn't gonna get the belt originally, but then I saw that it matched and I was like, why not? You're already going big, might as well go all the way. So on the inside here, you have Celine Paris logo on the inside, and of course it comes with a little strap. It is so cute on the inside. There's a little slot for your card right here. And it should have, yeah, it has made in Italy right here engraved. It's really hard to see, but let me go ahead and get this put together. So yeah, so here's the belt. You can see the strap to the purse is a little bit thinner. So here is what that looks like. She does have like a fairly long strap, and it is adjustable right here, so you can make it a little smaller if you would like to. Okay, everybody, so that was everything for today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. This truly is a dream come true of mine, to hold these products in my hand, for them to be my products. And I can't truly express in words how proud these products make me feel, and how insanely just so excited I am to have these gorgeous, beautiful items in my life. These are pieces that are gonna last forever for me, that I'm gonna pass down to my kids, and I'm so excited for that. So as always, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell if you'd like to be notified of the next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.